Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Fasir Rahman, and in this video, I will discuss about O-level physics code 5054, exam structure, and the whole syllabus. If you just entered in O3 and you want to select physics in O-level, then this video is for you, because in this video, I will discuss about all exam, all paper structure, and the whole syllabus of O-level physics. Okay, my name is Fasir Rahman, and I am currently working as a grade 17 officer in higher education department. I got 80 percentile in GRE physics, and I got MPhil physics degree from Qaidam University, which is the #1 university in Pakistan. Okay, there are four main paper in O-level physics: paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, and paper 4. Okay, paper 1 is normally called multiple choice exam. The time for this paper is 1 hour. They are 40 marks, and you have to attempt 40 multiple choice question. And the weightage of this paper to the whole exam is 30%. And in the same way, paper 2 is called the theory paper. And in that paper, the time for this exam is 1 hour 45 minutes, and the total marks are 80, and there are 10 structured question, and there is no option, there is no choice. You have to attempt all of the 10 questions, and there is a 50% weightage of the whole exam. In paper 2, in paper 3 and paper 4, there is a choice. You can either attempt paper 3 or you can attempt paper 4. But in Pakistan, normally paper 4 is preferred, and this is called the alternative to the practical. And the time for this exam is 1 hour. There are 40 marks, and there are four experimentally based structured question. If you have experimental skill, then you can easily attempt paper 4. And there is a 20% weightage of the whole exam. So it means that we have to attempt paper 1, paper 2, and paper 4. Okay, fine. And um, there are main thing which are should be discussed here. The first thing is that the few topics have been removed from the O-level syllabus, and there are some topics that has been added in the syllabus as well. The first topic that has been removed from the syllabus is called mercury barometer, mercury manometer, electronics, and the reflection of sound. And these topics are now removed from the O-level syllabus, and there are new topics that has been added, which is called momentum, circular motion, diffraction of wave, and there is a whole chapter which is called space physics. Okay, this is also added in the O-level syllabus now. Well, there are 6 themes in O-level physics exam, and the first theme is called Newtonian mechanics, which is actually 25 to 20% weightage of the whole exam. And then the thermal physics, wave, electricity's magnetism is also important, which cover 20 to 25% weightage of the whole exam. And then nuclear physics, and then the new topic which is called the space physics. Well, in the theme 1, which is normally called motion, force, and energy, there are 8 main topics, main chapters. The first chapter is called physical quantity and measurement and techniques, and that is actually gives skills about paper 4, P4 actually. And then motion, mass and weight, density, blah blah blah. And there is a new topic which is called momentum here, and then work and energy and power and pressure. In theme 2, there are 3 main topics that is actually listed here. And theme 3, there are 4 topics that has been shown here. And in the same way, the theme 4, which is called electricity and magnetism, which is also an important ingredient in O-level exam. And there are 6 topics related to electricity and magnetism, starting from simple magnetism and magnetic field to the use of oscilloscope. In theme 5, there are 2 main topics: nuclear model of atom and the radioactivity. In theme 6, which is the new one, and there are 2 main topics in this theme as well: the Earth and the solar system, and the star and the universe. Okay, I hope you will get the whole scenario. What are the papers, and what are kind of the papers in the O-level exam, and what is the whole syllabus in O-level 5054. In the next video, I will discuss about momentum, and I will just briefly explain what is momentum and what are the main equations, and then I will solve the past papers. You know, in all level, past paper is the main thing which actually gives the idea how to attempt the exam in the real scenario. Okay, and stay tuned for the next video.